Hey, yeah, good, good. Stop watching me. Stop it. Fine, I'm gonna get away from him. Stop watching me while I'm watching the kid. Dude, stop. Stop watching me while I'm watching it. While I'm going like a door. Stop watching me. I get tired of Mr. Hippo watching me. Just get you watching me. Okay? Stop watching me. Stop watching me. Stop it. I don't like that. Mr. Elephant, stop. Fine, I'm I'm sorry for watching you. That can be quiet. Sorry for watching you. I'm sorry for watching you. The title of the video is The kenolowry Show, Mr. Hippo Watch Mr. Elephant. And the lesson of the video is Don't You Play games. Bye guys.